Hello my beautiful sunflowers and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back with another video, and this video is a requested eyebrow tutorial video. So yeah, watch this video, and if you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hey Susie Bear! But before I begin, I'm just going to brush my eyebrows up. Okay, first things first, I have the Dip Brow Pomade on this eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to put a line under the first eyebrow. Now I'm going to be putting a line underneath the second eyebrow. I don't have enough of the pomade on this brush, so I'm going to use a little bit more to make the line thicker. So now I'm going to be putting a line on top, and remember to do the same thing to the other eyebrow. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow spoolie, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows. Brush up to try to get rid of the line underneath. Now I'm just doing the same thing with the other eyebrow. Gotta get the eyebrow looking right. I'm taking the other side of the brow wiz and I'm just filling in my eyebrows just a little bit, just to darken them up a bit. Once you finish that, you can go back in with your spoolie and start brushing up and then across. So up and then across. It's concealer time. Going in with the Shape Tape concealer and going underneath the brows to get the eyebrows on fleek, you know. Well, that was a fail. So now I'm going in with the concealer, the Maybelline Eraser Concealer, and I'm just going to put it underneath my eyebrows, just like this. I'm going back in with the Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm just darkening my eyebrows a bit more and trying to make sure that they're even, because when I use the concealer I kind of took a little bit too much off the top, so I gotta put it back. Make sure as you're filling in your eyebrows you're doing nice soft small strokes. I'm taking the spoolie again and I'm just going to brush up. Now I'm going to brush across. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm taking the brow wiz again and I'm just going to do some more light strokes up. And I'm doing that on both sides, as you can see, until my eyebrows are nice and even. I'm using the Dip Brow Pomade again and the brush, and I'm just darkening my brows. So this part, you're just going to do it to your liking. So yeah, I like my brows kind of dark, but not too dark, because I want them to look a bit more natural. So this is how I do it. It's concealer time! I'm going back underneath the brows and on top of the brows with the concealer, just to make sure that my eyebrows are nice and even. This step is very, very important, y'all, because you do not want to leave your house with too uneven brows. Trust me. Now I'm taking my fingers and I'm just getting rid of all of the extra concealer that I have on my face. You can use a brush if you want to, or whatever you want to use to get rid of the concealer. But you know me, I'm using my fingers. Here's the clear brow gel. Got this at Sally's. You can really get this anywhere too. I'm gonna be treating this brow gel like the spoolie, so I'm going to make strokes up, and then I'm going to make strokes across. And this will hold your eyebrows together.
I'm back again!
You're back again! And you know, we gotta do the same thing to the other side. So that's what I'm doing here. Guys, like my brows. Off to the park I go with my nephews.
Team Nike. I'll be on my way.